Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that yesterday there was a little bit of reversal to try to counter the flash crash that we received. But then at the end, I did mention be careful if you're going to be leverage trading, because this could be a fake out, as today we did see a lot of outflow of cash from most of the altcoins, and that's why they're down about 7 to 8%. But if you talk about Bitcoin, it's actually still holding above the price of 97,000. That's why there is still a little bit of optimism in all of the altcoin holders, expecting the price to keep climbing. If you look at Dogecoin, it has fallen under a key support level around 32 cents, and same thing is what's happening with XRP, falling under $2.30. But what does this mean in long term? Well, first of all, if XRP can hold above 220, it might consolidate for a while before taking another shot at 270, and if it's not able to hold the support, there is a chance we can fall under $2. Bitcoin technical analysis: will the long-term uptrend save the day? And there is a very high chance, as long as we are able to stay above the price of 96,000. Dogecoin jumps 12%, and data shows that more rally is ahead, and XRP holders poisoned for wealth. Analysts flag a pattern targeting $5 that might be happening a lot sooner than you expect. But before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin and XRP, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. It will just help you stay up to date with the latest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to the crypto market, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about the XRP chart, as it's actually starting to look really interesting. That's probably the right word to use, as we're sitting on a really strong support. As you can see that in the last 18 hours, there's been a lot of consolidation around the same phase, which is around $2 to $2.23. Now you can see that previously this support did actually get tested multiple times and even has acted as a resistance, and there is another support. Now, just to give you perspective, this is a key level. What I mean by that is, if this level is broken by XRP, there is a very high chance that we might actually go down and retest close to $2, and I'm very certain a lot of you guys do not want to see that, as that could cause a strong panic sell. And if the panic sell breaks below the $2 mark, I'm going to tell you for a fact that $1.90 is going to be the next support. I'm not being a hater or anything like that, just to give you perspective. I'm still optimistic about the XRP and Dogecoin price, but this is just to give you perspective. Now, if we look at the other end, if we're going to be climbing, the key resistance to break will be close to $2.40. But if it is broken, $2.70 is going to be the key next resistance. Overall, XRP price is still in a really strong uptrend. If you just look at the overall concept and the way it's moving, there's a very high chance that the big run up is around the corner. The reason for this is, if you actually just pay attention to the open interest, it's still sitting close to 2 billion, and the long to the short ratio right now is still sitting 70 to 30. So there is a very high chance that a lot of traders which are holding onto XRP right now are expecting the price to go up even faster. Now, if we talk about Dogecoin on the other end, you can see that we are holding a critical support as well. Just to give you perspective, this is the daily chart. You can see that the market was being volatile, where it went all the way up to 35 cents to 26 cents, but at the end it is still stopping around 32 cents, clearly suggesting that the support is very strong. There is a very high chance that as long as we're able to hold close to 32 cents, there is going to be an upside potential. Now, as long as, when I say that, we need to ensure that we do not fall below that. Now, on the other end, XRP is sitting in really interesting state, as there is a lot of traders which are trying to sell the position when the price gets to 270 and buy around $2. Now, Bitcoin, the long term, or Bitcoin's current price is close to 97 with 24-hour trading volume at 70 billion. Today it danced between 95 and 99, signaling a market status of flux. This roller coaster ride has left the traders on the edge of their seat, watching for the next big move, as technical indicators flash both green and red. This is always the time which actually confuses the trader, and let me tell you for a fact, the market becomes more volatile. And when it becomes more volatile, you just need to be a little bit more cautious, especially if you're leverage trading. Now Dogecoin is, marking some territory. I mean, beyond 24-hour gain, jump in trading volume with more than 11 billion shuffled in a single day just by Dogecoin. So that should give you perspective how many whales are also playing a close card when it comes to Dogecoin, and XRP holders are expecting a huge return. Holders will be the richest people you know. Here's why. And in this, they just go on to talk about how there is a really strong potential, or XRP could breach its all-time high and potentially reach $5. If it's able to find a consolidation zone around that price, the boiler bands signal a major breakout with a past pattern showing an explosive surge. Bitcoin dominance decline creates a favorable condition for XRP, and there are many companies around the world which are trying to become part of XRP. Therefore, it's going to be helping it push even harder. MetaMask expands its US pilot program for crypto payment card, allowing users to pay directly from their wallet. So this will give more access to a lot of people who want to get into crypto but don't know how to. This will give them direct access. And 57% of all accounts in Binance with an open position are going long right now. And over 5 billion in Bitcoin profits were realized during the recent price correction. So that should give you perspective why the correction became bigger and bigger every single day when you were opening your wallet, because there was a lot of people which decided to panic sell and take profit. Talking about Doge, now you can see that Doge is still trending on Twitter. There's not been a single day where Doge was not trending, and Doge whales have purchased close to 280 million worth of Dogecoin in just the past 2 weeks. Now Microsoft is the only company that did not get into the Bitcoin treasury, and there are other companies which actually decided to do so, but obviously Microsoft was one of the ones that all the holders were looking forward to, as it is a very large company and the amount of money that would flow through is absurd. And XRP ally John says must-let Doge is necessary to cut the government spending. And it's interesting because I feel like the stance that XRP had on the government was interesting before the election and after the election, because now you guys know the CEO is trying to donate a little bit to the Trump administration, close to $5 million in XRP. So, but if before, he was obviously supporting Kamala, so that's why it's a really interesting stance, and a lot of people are in disbelief. US spot Bitcoin ETF sees 270 million outflow amid the market uncertainty. So there is definitely a lot of uncertainty and not being able to explain type of situation. An expert explained why 1000 XRP is something you should be holding minimum, and they're just talking about how there is a huge chance for XRP as they have so much connections into the big financial firms. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Just be a little patient, we got a long way to go. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you very soon.